babies? They're like, anybody have any bananas?
Oh.
Hi. Oh, here he comes.
Oh, he jumped on the boat.
Got a passenger.
He jumped on the boat.
Oh, like two little ones playing.
Yeah,
Cute.
Oh, so small. I don't know.
Hello. There's so many.
Is that the guy on top of the boat?
There's so many.
Oh, more coming. What's going on over here?
They probably wonder if we have food. Oh, hi, you little jumper. Hello, you little cutie. Oh, sweet, sweet Frankie.
Dad, do you have one on the right?
What's going on here? What y'all doing? What are y'all doing?
I don't want it to be like one of those movie moments where they grab my camera and run.
This guy's got me.
Hi, baby.
Pierda foto, primo. ¿La tiene pero? Ajá, se lo quita la mano. Pele loca, se lo quita la mano. Se quedan bien siladas ahí.
You think they're wrestling?
Don't fall into the
Monkeys
water.
wrestling.
Probably fighting.
Oh, that was bad if they fell into the water.
No, no, pierde.
Imagine
Holding on to his tail.
This is where the nursery rhyme comes from. Five little monkeys swinging in the tree, teasing Mr. Roundabout.
Showing you your butt?
The passenger.
Yeah, what are we gonna do about the monkey on the roof?
I think he jumped off. That was him, I think.
You did? That looks like a big forearm.
He's coming down. He's coming down.
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Yeah, I wouldn't get too close to this water.
They get just it. They want water, but they don't like the water.
I need this.
There was like a nut or something on that branch.
Jump over here.
Well, yeah, they stay up there.
Oh,
Just please try to not have food like exposed, because they know about the food and we can put these guys in the trouble. Because there are many guys here that they like to come to the river and they promote this river that to the tourists in a way that, oh, let's go to the river so you can feed the monkeys and you can feed the crocodiles. And it goes against all the protocol that we have in Costa Rica regarding conservation and protection.
grab him by the tail.
They are like kids. They are like kids.
Hey, come
these
on.
guys are, like for example, the howler monkeys are a little bit different in that sense.
Sí, pero todo el tiempo que están así, agarrarlo así, jugando sin milagro.
No, they can't have that.
Come on,
Nice pose.